A person commits a Class B misdemeanor if the person has cause to believe or suspects that a child's physical or mental health or welfare has been or may be further adversely affected by abuse or neglect and knowingly fails to report in accordance with the law. The legal duty to report lies with each person who has cause to believe that abuse or neglect has occurred. A person who has cause to make a report but knowingly fails to do so commits a criminal offense. The outcry person is the person to whom the child first discloses abuse. The following is a procedure you should take when you have been alerted to signs or symptoms suggesting child abuse. First, make a verbal report within 48 hours at the Texas Abuse Hotline, 1-800-252-5400, or www.txabusehotline.org. The principal is then informed of the situation by the outcry person. The outcry person is the person who makes the verbal report to CPS and files a written report with the campus school nurse. To report child abuse or neglect, make a phone call to the Texas Abuse Hotline at 1-800-252-5400 or online at www.txabusehotline.org. If there is an emergency, call 911 and then follow up with a phone call to the Texas Abuse Hotline. All allegations of abuse or neglect should be reported by the outcry person. Do not have a child report the situation to a number of people. When reporting physical abuse, if you see bruises or other visible injuries, refer the child to the nurse who will document information and assist the outcry person. The reporting data that is required is the name of the student, home address, the name of parent and or guardian, a phone number, the name of the school the student attends, the type of abuse, and a statement of what the child relates to you. Are there any other children in the home? Collect as much information as possible from the child's records prior to making the phone call. Is there any other pertinent information? Please ensure when reporting to include the child's home address. Cases will be assigned a priority by the Texas Department of Family and Protective Services, CPS. The CPS agency's duty is to investigate. No one can interfere with the investigation. The identity of person reporting is confidential. No prior notification to a parent and or guardian is advisable. During the investigation, a caseworker will make a school visit. The caseworker is not required to notify the school prior to making a visit. The caseworker will report to the principal's office immediately and present official picture identification. The school must provide a private place for the interview. The CPS worker has a right to interview the child privately with no third party present. The caseworker has the authority to transport the child for purpose of investigation. The caseworker will sign child out prior to leaving and is responsible to notify the parent and or guardian. The outcry person must complete a written report with the school nurse within 48 hours after the verbal report. The campus nurse will assist in completion of the report. Keep in mind that if you do make a report, you are legally protected. Effective September 1st, 2001, an employer may not suspend or terminate the employment of or otherwise discriminate against a person who is a professional and who in good faith reports child abuse or neglect to protective and regulatory services, a person whose employment is suspended or terminated, or who is otherwise discriminated against in violation of this section may sue for injunctive relief, damages, or both. Texas Family Code, Section 261.110.